Hello students, welcome to the class 9th Standard Mathematics. Today we shall learn exercise 3.10. Now the second subdivision is draw the graph for the following y equal to 4x minus 1. So like a previous sum, we can apply values for the x randomly. That is, when x equal to minus 1, what we get? Y equal to 4 minus 1, which means we get 4 ones are 1 and plus into minus. So therefore we get y equal to minus 4 minus 1. Then addition of these two negative numbers, we get y equal to minus 5. Same procedure we can follow for the random value of x equal to 0. Then we get y equal to 4 zeros are 0. Instead of x, we are substituting the value. Then we get minus 1, which is y equal to 4 zeros are 0 minus 1. Therefore, y equal to minus 1. Next, when x equal to positive 1, which is plus 1, then y equal to 4 ones are 4 minus 1, which gives y equal to 4 ones are 4 minus 1. Then subtraction of this two number, we get y equal to plus 3. So these three values are enough. Now we shall plot the table. Now the points are, for the x minus 1, 0, 1 we have taken. So we can write minus 1, 0 and 1. For the y, what we get? Minus 5, minus 1, 3. For the minus 1, we get minus 5. For the 0, we get minus 1. For the 1, we get 3. Now the points to be plotted are minus 1 comma minus 5 and 0 comma minus 1 and 1 comma 3. Now let's move to the graph page. Let us plot the graph, that is x origin x dash, y origin y dash. For the scale is x-axis 1 centimeter equal to 1 unit, y-axis 1 centimeter equal to 1 unit. Now the points are, we have written for the x and x dash, y and y dash. Now let us plot the point, that is minus 1 comma minus 5, 0 comma minus 1, 1 comma 3. Let us plot. The first point, minus 1 comma minus 5. In this coordinate, the first one x represents, the second one y represents. Therefore, for the minus 1 of the x lies here, isn't it? Therefore, minus 5 of the y lies here. So, minus 1, minus 5 meets in this point. So, that is called minus 1, minus 5. The next one, 0 comma minus 1. So, in the x-axis 0, in the y-axis minus 1. What is? So 0 lies here. Now for the y-axis where it lies in minus 1. Then the point is 0 comma minus 1. It will lie on the point itself. Clear? Now the third one is x, y. Here the 1 lies in x and the 3 lies in y. So positive 1 lies here and the positive 3 lies here. So both of the meeting point is, this is the one. Then we could write 1 comma 3. Now let us join these 3 points. Joining the straight line, we can get a line which intersects in the which meets in the y-axis at some point, and it also meets in -1 at y-axis. Now this is the required equation for the linear equation in two variables. On the straight line, we shall write the equation that is y equal to 4x minus 1. Exercise 3.10, question number 1. Draw the graph for the following. Here the subdivision 3 is y equal to 3 by 2x plus 3. Like a previous sums, here also we are going to choose the values for x. So randomly we choose the values for x. In the previous sums we have chosen -1, 0 and plus 1. But here look at the coefficient of x. Here the coefficient of x is 3 by 2. It is in fraction or it is in division. Here we have to choose the x value in such a way to cancel the denominator. So we can choose the random values, that is -2, 0 and plus 2. Now let's go for the sum. So we shall write that is when x equal to -2, then the term 3 by 2, and instead of x we can substitute -2 and plus 3. Then we will get 2 will be cancelled. Then the remaining values 3 minus 1 plus 3. Then plus into minus we get minus, 3 ones are 3 and plus 3. So altogether -3 and plus 3 value is 0. Now when x equal to 0, y equal to 3 by 2, instead of x we can put 0, then the value is plus 3. Then the value of y will be, here the whole term will be 0 when it is multiplied with 0. Therefore, the value of y is 3. Then when x equal to, already we have taken -2. Now we shall choose +2, that is y equal to 3 by 2 into 2 plus 3. Then the values will be 2 will be cancelled. Then 3 plus 3 will we get. Then y equal to 6. Now these values we can put it in the box. Now the table values are, for the x -2, 0 plus 2. -2, 0 plus 2. Then the y values we get 0, 3, 6. 0, 3, 6. Now we shall write it in the ordered pair, that is points to be plotted. So therefore the points are -2, 0, 0, 3 and 2, 6. So let us plot these points in the graph. Here I have drawn the graph with x dash and y dash with the origin of 0. Then the scale I have taken is x axis 1 centimeter equal to 1 unit, y axis 1 centimeter equal to 1 unit. Then the points are -2, 0. So minus 2 is from the x-axis we have to look at it. Then y we have to look at it in 0. Therefore minus 2 lies here. Then 0 will be in this origin point. So therefore the point will lie on the x-axis, that is minus 2 comma 0. Clear? Now the next point is 0 comma 3. So for the 0, look at it in x-axis. For the 3, let's look at it in y-axis. 0 will be in this origin of point. Then the 3 is in y-axis, which means the point is, this is the 1. So the point is 0 comma 3. The third point is 2 comma 6. For the 2 x-axis will be lying, the 6 will be lying on the y-axis. Then the meeting point of 2 and 6 is 2 and 6. This is the point 2 and 6. Now let us join these 3 points. Here, joining these 3 points, we get the straight line, which is the linear equation. Now the equation for this line is, we can write it, y equal to 3 by 2 x plus 3. Exercise 3.10. First question, draw the graph for the following. Here, the fourth subdivision is 3x plus 2y equal to 14. Usually, we will have the equation of the linear equation y equal to some value, or the linear equation form will be y equal to mx plus c. But here, the equation is in the form 3x plus 2y equal to some constant term, which is 14. So let us make it with the equation with y. So solution, here let's write 2y equal to 14, and let us bring this term 3x to the other side by transpose. Then we will get minus 3x. So we shall change it in the next time. The next step in the order way, that is y equal to minus 3x plus 14. Then the multiplication of 2 will be in the form of division. Then if we divide, we get minus 3 by 2 into x plus 14 divided by 2 we get. So we could write this terms by dividing y equal to minus 3 by 2 x plus 2 ones are 2, 2 sevens are 14. Then the equation is plus 7. The constant term is 7. So therefore the required equation is we could write y equal to minus 3 by 2x plus 7. Now for this equation we are going to draw the linear graph. Here we are going to choose the random values for the x in such a way to cancel the denominator 2. Like a previous sum, here also we can choose the random values minus 2, 0 and plus 2. So let's write, when x equal to minus 2, then the equation will be minus 3 by 2 into 2 plus 7. Then by the cancellation we get minus 3 plus 7. Then the value of y will be plus 4. Next, when x equal to 0, the equation y, the whole term will be 0. Then we will get 0 plus 7, that is y equal to 7. The same way, when x equal to 2, y equal to minus 3 by 2 into 2 plus 7. 2 will be cancelled. Then the value will be minus 3 plus 7. Minus 3 plus 7 divided by, y equal to minus 3 plus 7. Then the value will be 4. So I have made a mistake somewhere. So let's check it once again. See here that I have used plus 2 instead of minus 2. Then my answer became wrong. So be careful while substituting the minus. So if we substitute the minus, I get minus into minus will become plus. Then plus 3 plus 7 I get 10. So y equal to 10 I will get. Here the values will be as it is. So just we have one more correction, that is y equal to 10. Just check it. Now we shall put the table for these values. Table for the sum is, for the x we have chosen minus 2, 0, plus 2. For the y we get 10. For the 0 we get 7. For the 2 we get 4. So let's write points to be plotted. Now the points in ordered pair, that is minus 2, 10, 0, 7, 2, 4. Here I have prepared the graph with the axis x dash, y dash. So now the scale for the graph is x axis 1 centimeter equal to 1 unit, y axis 1 centimeter equal to 1 unit. Now let us plot the point, that is minus 2, 0. This is x, y. So in x axis minus 2 will be lying here. Then the plus 10 will be lying here. So this is a meeting point of minus 2 and 10. Then the next point 0, 7. So for the 0 will be lying x, the y will be lying 7. Then for the 0 here, for the 7 it will be lying here. Then 0, 7. Then the third point is 2, 4. Plus 2 will be here and the 4 will be lying on y axis. Then the meeting of 2 and 4 is, this is the 1, 2, 4. So students, here I use a black pen or pens in the graph sheet, but kindly you use a pencil to draw the graph. Here we have plotted the 3 points minus 2, 10, 0, 7, 2, 4. Let us join all these points, then we will get a straight line. This is a required straight line for the equation 3x plus 2y 14. So the linear equation we got it. So let us write the equation on the line 3x plus 2y equal to 14. With this, let's complete the first question.